Let me tell you some harsh truth about programming that no one is talking about. It's not easy. And if you think you can become a pro developer in just 30 days because some guru told you so, you are in for disappointment. But here's the good news. If you understand these harsh truths that I'm about to share, you will stop wasting time, avoid fake shortcuts, and become a real programmer. Number 1. You cannot learn programming in a month. There are many fake gurus who claim to teach programming in a month. And I'm going to be brutally honest. You cannot learn programming in just a month. Look, programming is not just about learning syntax, it's about building logic behind the code, and it takes time. And this brings me to the second one. Programming is less about memorizing syntax and more about learning how to think, how to research on Google, and nowadays how to integrate with AI. The more you become better at problem solving and researching, the better programmer you become. Because when you start to build real world software on your own, you come across lots of problems, bugs, and concepts. And that's where your real problem solving and research ability come into play. And this brings me to the third harsh truth. You cannot learn programming from tutorials alone. Yes, you heard me right. You cannot learn programming from tutorials unless you move to real projects on your own. I know, watching and copying tutorials makes you feel comfortable and confident that you are learning something. But actually, you are escaping from discomfort and challenges that you have to face while building something on your own. And trust me, this is the only way to become a real programmer. Number 4. Writing code is only half the job. If you want to level up fast, don't just write code. Read other people's code. See how pros solve problems. It will train your brain to think like a pro developer. Number 5. You will feel like giving up so many times. Every programmer, me, you, even seniors, goes through this. And it's okay to feel that way. Just don't give up and stick by it. Remember, when you feel like giving up, have a break. Spend some quality time with yourself. Think about those wins that you have made so far and remind yourself about the reason why you started. Number 6. You will need to learn more than one programming language. One language is a start, but tech evolves. Today, if you use JavaScript, tomorrow your company might need Python, Java, or something new. Be ready to learn, adapt, and evolve. That's how you stay relevant in this AI driven world. Number 7. AI is not your enemy, it's your base tool. I know. These days, there are so many misconceptions spreading all over the internet. AI will replace you, AI will take your job, AI will do this or that, blah blah blah. Listen carefully. AI won't replace programmers, but the programmers who ignore AI might get replaced. Use AI to debug, to learn faster, to speed up your workflows. It's your friend, not your competitor. And the last and most underrated has to. You cannot code well with a foggy brain and an unhealthy body. See, programming requires a healthy body and a focused mind. That's when you are able to think critically and work efficiently. So don't just sit at your desk all day without moving your body, without taking care of your mind, without taking care of your health. So if you are learning programming right now, remember these truths. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button so more beginners can avoid these mistakes. And make sure to subscribe. I'll see you on the other side.